Hello and welcome to my loft. And dear viewers, thank you for all of you who have written such lovely comments. Now today's video, I am going to be running 3 trains on a single loop, and it just shows you what DC can do. Now, one of the reasons I have gone for DC simply because 1, it's much cheaper, 2, much of my older stock is not DCC compatible. Anyway, enjoy. A quick look. And yes, Lucy just loves lying there, being next to me and annoying me occasionally. A quick view at the lower levels. This is the track I'm going to be playing with today. These trains, the sprinters, have brass wheels, so they suffer really badly with dirt. A little stuttering. This is because it's a DC controller, but not too bad. My controllers for the day, and of course a cat's bottom. Javelin flying past. The sprinter follows up behind, all on the same track. Good old mechanical switches. Javelin goes past. Once it's clear, clunk of the switch of the points, and rather fast acceleration by the sprinter. That's perhaps how it should be. The sprinter pulls off the main track to let the javelin through. The second sprinter can now pull in onto the main line. Javelin passes through at speed. Click of the switch, points cross. Number 1 sprinter, followed by the second sprinter. Quick look of a bird's eye view from the cabin. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed that. Do come in and tune in for next videos, which will be a Christmas Day special. Hope to see you then. Bye.